Hello friends, welcome to Technical Adda. Today we are going to start a complete course of Excel. It's our first class and today we will learn how to launching Excel on the computer. So before go to work, we need to find Excel in our computer. So simply go to Windows button and you can see search bar. So type Excel. If you have MacBook, it's different from a Windows. In Mac, identify Excel on Mac and open it up. In Windows, I will show you. Search Excel and open. Now you can see Excel is launched. So please like, share and subscribe with your friends. Thanks for watching.